Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to manage your focus on your iPhone so that you can manage the time whenever you have to be focused and whenever you have to play with your phone. So here, to manage the application, to manage the time, manage your work, you need to go into the mode of your phone. You need to go slightly your upper screen here on the right side, slide into downside until you have an access into the shortcuts. And the shortcuts, you need to go into this part. You need to click it, and after that you just need to go into the setting. So do not disturb is the focus or the mode that you need to apply into your phone whenever you are working, so that there will be no notifications gonna appear. There is no notifications gonna enter into your phone, so that your work will not gonna disturb it. So to activate this automatically, you need to scroll down, and after that go click add schedule. And this schedule, choose the time and choose which or what time that you want to start to be to not disturb it. For example, you work from Monday to you work from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday, and you will be off in the Saturday and Sunday. So you just need to go click this Saturday and Sunday. And after that, you just need to decide when it starts and when it ends. For example, if you work from 9 to 5, just make sure that it's 9 to 5 and start from Monday to Friday. And after that, you just need to go click done. This do not disturb will be automatically active on 9 to 5, so that you can work on 9 to 5 focusedly. And after that, go add a free. So whenever you are on a break time, you must want to play with your phone, right? Make sure you have this mode, the free focus, so that you will have an access to at the application, what application that you can access, the notification that can pop up on your phone. And just the same, go into the schedule. At the schedule, go in the time and choose every day, or you can go on every day, and the time you can select what time you have a break time. For example, at 1 until 1 and until 2. And after that, you just need to go click it. Whenever you're done, you can go back, so that you will be on a free focus whenever you are in a break time. So that's the way how to manage application, how to manage focus on your phone, so that you can manage the time when you're gonna work and when you're gonna play with your phone. If you find this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.